Hi, welcome to Lana's Videos, the English channel. My name is Alba and in this tutorial you will learn how to crochet for beginners. The first that you have to know is what are the materials that you need to crochet. You have to see the label of the yarn and you have to look which is the number of the crochet hook that you need. In this case, you can see here two different ways to know which is the size of the crochet hook. You can see in my website a table to compare the different methods to know the size of the hook. More or less the size of the hook that you should use to crochet with this yarn. Then you need a crochet hook. And you can also find on the crochet hook and a 7. Remember that you can find the table on my website to compare different sizes. Now you have to know how to take the crochet hook. You can take the hook on different ways. You can take the hook as if it was a knife, or if it was a pencil, but you have to find which is the way to take the crochet hook that it's more comfortable to you. In my case, it's more comfortable to me to use it as a pencil. Let's see now how to make a slip knot. It's the first step that you have to know to crochet. You have here the point of the yarn and you have to take the part of the yarn that is next to the ball. You have to make like a bow. You have to make like a circle with the long tail on the short tail. Make like a circle. With the crochet hook, we pass the crochet through the loop and take the long tail of the yarn. Pass it through the loop and pull the tail. You made now the slip knot. This is the first step, and now we have to start with the chain. How you have to make the chain? You have to take the crochet hook, pass the crochet through the first loop, and then take the yarn, the long tail of the yarn with the hook, and pass it through the loop of the chain. You made the first chain. Repeat the same. Take the yarn, the long tail of the yarn, and with the hook, and pass it through the loop that you have on the hook. This is how you have to make the chain. You should try to keep the same tension while you are making the chains.